Good morning. Yesterday, in the last lesson, I told you how to find out adjoint of a matrix, and after that, we have created a formula to get the inverse of a matrix. Square matrix is given, inverse is to be calculated. Inverse formula was, I told you, that is adjoint of A by determinant of A. This was the formula we have done for calculating adjoint of inverse of a matrix. Now I'll take a question in which we will be finding the inverse of a matrix. Let the matrix A is 8, 4, 2, 2, 9 and 4 and 1, 2, 8. And my question is find out inverse of this matrix. When they say you find out inverse of the matrix, means you should know what is determinant A first, and then we calculate adjoint of A. Whenever you want the inverse of a matrix, first thing which we should do, don't calculate adjoint A, first find out determinant of A. So I calculate now determinant of A. And determinant A, when you calculate, what the result is, it will be 8 times, because this is 1 1, so it will be a plus quantity. Now I'll do it directly. 8, then it is 9, 4, 2, 8. Then comes this element, it will give minus because it's 1, 2, 4 here. Leave this, then 2, 4, 1, 8. And last will be 2 times 2, 9, 1, 2. So here it will come 8 into 9, 8, 72 minus 8. Then minus 4 times, what it will come, 16 minus 4, and then plus 2 times, it will be 4 minus 9. Now when you solve it, it will be 8 into, how much it is comes now? Will it be 64 minus, what it will be left is 12, 12, 4, 48. And then here it is minus 5 to the 10. Is this the result? Then 8, 4, 32, 3, 8, 6, 48, 48 and 3. 48 and 3, it's 5, 1, 2. Minus, it will come 58. And when you solve it, it will come 5, 1, 2 minus 58. So when you do it, it will be 4. Then it is 5. And then it is 4. So is it 454? Is the determinant value? Yes, we got this is 454. Now one thing you should make it clear, whenever determinant A is not 0, not 0 means it's a non-singular matrix, then you will be going to calculate A inverse. Otherwise, inverse does not exist. Keep in mind, this value is not coming 0. And if it is not coming 0 means denominator exists, there is a finite number. In denominator always we should have a finite number. So it's a finite number. So that means we can calculate inverse of a matrix. So if you get this is not 0, then you go for inverse. Otherwise, say inverse does not exist. By the way, determinant A we calculate and it is coming 0. If it is coming 0, then say inverse does not exist. Because in that case, it will be 0, will make the result infinite. So here, one thing is clear. Determinant A we got as 454. Now coming on the next part, that will be the adjoint we should calculate. Now when you calculate adjoint, in adjoint what you want? You want cofactor matrix. Order will be 3 by 3, taking the transpose. That means we need C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32, C33, and then its transpose. So now one by one we'll calculate C11. So it comes out to be minus 1 whole square. Leave this, then it comes 9, 4, 2, 8. What this will be? 9 8 72 minus 8, left is 64. Then we go for C12 here. Leave this, minus 1 whole cube, and then the result is 2418. So 8 minus 4, it's minus 4. Sorry, 16 minus 4 will be 12, so it's minus 12. Then we go for C13, minus 1 power 4, this element, so it is 2912. So it will come 4 minus 9, come out to be minus 5. C13 is there. Now we calculate C21. 21 means this element, 4228, and here it comes minus 1 whole cube. Then 84 32 minus 4 minus how much left? 28. Then we go for C22, minus 1 whole 4, and then 22 means this element, so 8218. Then 64 minus 2, it will be 62. Then we go for C23. 23 means this element. It will be minus 1 power 5. Then what will be 8412? Then it will be 16 minus 4. It's coming minus 12. So we have calculated C23, C22, C21, C11, C12, C13. Now we go for C31. 31 means this element, minus 1 power 4. Here element will be 4, 2, 9 and 4. Then it come out to be 16 minus 18, come out to be minus 2. Then we go for C32, minus 1 power 5. Then here this you leave, it will be 8, 2, 2, 4. Then it will be 8, 4, 32 minus 4, minus of 28. And last will be C33. 33 means this element. So here it will come out to be minus 1 power 6. Now what it will come? Leave this. 8 nines, 8, 4, 2, 9. 72 minus 8. It will be left how much? 64. So now all the values known. C11 64, C12 minus 12, C13 minus 5, 21 minus 28, C22 62, C13 sorry 23 minus 12, C31 minus 2, C32 minus 28, C33, that is 64. And then we'll take the transpose. So we'll check it. 64 minus 12 minus 5 minus 28, 62 minus 12 minus 2 minus 28 and 64. Right. So this is clear. Adjoint is complete now. And now you want the inverse to be calculated. So what it will be? 1 by determinant A, already we got it 454. And then transpose of it. What the transpose of it? 64 minus 28 minus 2 minus 12, 62 minus 28 minus 5 minus 12, 64. This will be the inverse of a matrix we have. So this is the question. They will ask inverse calculation. We can calculate it easily. So I told you, first you find out determinant A. If that comes 0, we say inverse does not exist. If it come not 0, then we calculate A inverse by adjoint A by determinant A, and then it will be the complete question. So inverse you can calculate easily. In next class, we'll continue.